Did you know this surprising thing about Iceland? Hey, welcome to 9Gindo channel, where you will learn and be inspired. Today I will show you some surprising things about Iceland you never know. Please, if you coming to me channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Iceland, the place that is known for fire and ice, has turned into a famous travel objective throughout recent years. From the country's heavenly icy masses, roaring cascades and amazing regular evening time shows, it's not difficult to see the reason why voyagers are running away to the edge of the world. There are numerous qualities that make this nation so extraordinary, however these 10 bizarre and intriguing realities about Iceland might astonish you. 1. More than 60% of the Icelandic population live in the capital city, Reykjavik. Albeit tiny, Reykjavik is the most northern capital city on the planet and is home to the greater part of the Icelandic populace. This bright and particular city is loaded with various cafes, bistros, bars and exhibition halls and is very walkable, making it an ideal objective to investigate by foot. 2. Iceland was the first place on Earth to be settled by humans. Iceland is known as perhaps of the most youthful body of land in the world and was one of the keep-going puts on Earth to be settled by people. Shockingly, a while back Vikings from Norway found Iceland coincidentally. 3. Many Icelanders believe in elves and trolls. The confidence in mythical beings, savages and other mysterious animals follows back to the Viking Age. The narratives are copious, so make certain to establish a point in time to the side to address an Icelander to hear a story or two. 4. You can swim outdoors in hot springs all year round. An Icelandic encounter is unfinished without a plunge in an underground aquifer. The open-air insight of washing outside in volcanically warmed pools traces all the way back to Viking times. Underground aquifers can be tracked down all over the nation and come in all sizes and shapes. Make certain to look out in your swimsuit in close reach. You would rather not miss this experience. 5. Iceland is one of the most eco-friendly countries in the world. Iceland was as of late positioned one of the most amiable nations on the planet, and since practically the power in Iceland is all created utilizing environmentally friendly power sources. Seeing why is simple. The capital city of Reykjavik won the Nordic Nature and Climate Prize in 2014 and is making progress toward an objective of being a carbon unbiased city by 2040. 6. Iceland has the longest work weeks in Europe. Overall, Icelanders work 45 hours per week, did you be aware? 7. Beer was banned in Iceland until 1989. Iceland went through a prohibition of beer which began in 1915 and ended in 1989 after a referendum vote by the population. Now, every March 1st, the country celebrates Jordagarinn or Beer Day, commemorating the end of a 74-year beer ban. 8. About 11% of Iceland is covered by glaciers. Studies show that 11% of the country of Iceland is covered by glaciers. Glaciers are one of the main attractions in Iceland, and to date there are almost 269 named. Iceland is also home to Europe's largest glacier, Vatnajökull, which is equivalent to 3 times the size of Luxembourg or Rhode Island. 9. 1 in 10 Icelanders will publish a book. As facts about Iceland go, this one's pretty awesome. The tradition of reading in Iceland dates back to the 13th century, and with 1 out of 10 Icelanders publishing a book in their lifetime. Looking to add some Icelandic literature to your reading list? Be sure to include some novels written by Hallur Kiljan Laxness, one of the country's most noted authors, who was awarded a Nobel Prize in Literature. 10. The Northern Lights can be seen in Iceland from September to March. Is witnessing the Northern Lights in person on your bucket list? Many travelers are attracted to Iceland as it's a spectacular destination to experience the aurora borealis. September to March is the best time for this natural light show, although of course that is never a guarantee. This incredible natural occurrence is created when solar particles interact with the atmosphere in the Earth's magnetic field. Isn't science so cool?